Hello, welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. We are very committed to bring you more quality lessons through our videos. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. Make sure you subscribe right now and your ring looks like this, so you'll be the first to be notified whenever we put a new video. Okay, in today's video I'm teaching you how to conjugate the verb to have, or KOZALA NA in Lingala. Okay guys, this is very important. I want you to know it so you don't get confused in the future. Remember this: the verb to have and the verb to be have almost the same spelling. For the verb to be is KOZALA, and the verb to have is KOZALA NA. If you want to know the conjugation of the verb to have, or KOZALA NA, click on the upper right corner of your page. Okay, to show which verb you're talking about, it will depend on what follows after. For example, nazali na kelasi. Nazali na kelasi. It means I am in class. This is the verb to be, or KOZALA. The second example is nazali na mbongo. Nazali na mbongo. Nazali na mbongo means I have money, and this is the verb to have, or nazali na. You see, they're all the same, but it will depend on what comes after. Now let's learn the fact about the verb to have, or KOZALA NA in Lingala. First, when you see ko placed in front of any verb, that means the verb is in infinitive form. Example, KOZALA. KOZALA means to be. KOZALA NA. KOZALA NA means to have. Kolinga. Kolinga means to like. Koloba means to speak. Komela. Komela means to swallow. And kobuka. Kobuka means to break or to split. The present tense of the verb KOZALA NA is to have. Its past tense is azalakina. Azalakina we translate to had. The future tense is akozala na. Akozala na, which is will have. The present continuous tense is kozalaka, kozalaka, which is having. And the imperative form is zalana, zalana, which is have. Next, the rules to conjugate the verb to have or KOZALA NA in the present tense in Lingala. First, you need to remove ko from zala, which is in the infinitive form, and by doing so you stayed with zalana. 2. Remove a at the end of zala. You stay with zal na. 3. Add I to zal. Now you have zalina. 4. Add a subject pronoun such as na, o, a, e, to, bo, or ba in front of zali. 5. Now you can conjugate the verb as you like. Next, we're going to conjugate the verb to have, KOZALA NA, in the present tense. Nazalina, nazalina means I have. Ozalina, ozalina means you have. Azalina, azalina means he or she has. Ezalina, ezalina means it has. Tozalina, tozalina means we have. Bozalina, bozalina, bozalina means you have. And bazalina, bazalina means they have. Now let's conjugate the verb to have, KOZALA NA, in the past tense. Nazalakina, nazalakina means I had. Ozalakina, ozalakina means you had. Azalakina means he or she had. Ezalakina, ezalakina means it had. Tozalakina means we had. Bozalakina means you had. Bazalakina means they had. Okay, now let's conjugate the verb to have, KOZALA NA, in the present continuous tense. Nazalaka na, nazalaka na means I'm having. Ozalaka na means you are having. Azalakana. Azalakana means he or she's having. Ezalakana. Ezalakana means it is having. Tozalakana. Tozalakana means we are having. Bozalakana. Bozalakana means you are having. And bazalakana. Bazalakana means they are having. Now let's conjugate the verb to have, KOZALA NA, in the future tense in Lingala. Na KOZALA NA. Na KOZALA NA means I will have. O KOZALA NA. O KOZALA NA means you will have. A KOZALA NA means he or she will have. Eza KOZALA NA. KOZALA NA means it will have. KOZALA NA. KOZALA NA means we will have. KOZALA NA. KOZALA NA means you will have. KOZALA NA. KOZALA NA means they will have. The verb to have, or KOZALA NA, in the imperative form in Lingala is zalana. Zalana, which translate to have in English. Zalana. Lingala. English is have. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. De Love Gracias. Thank you and see you next time.